Hello, welcome to today's class. For today, we're going to be discussing on triangle, right? How to construct a triangle given a perimeter. So, as the question goes below, construct triangle ABC given the perimeter as 150 mm and base angles ABC and ACB are 30° and 45° respectively. So how do you solve this question? First, for this triangle here, we are given what the base, the perimeter, perhaps the perimeter. So what's the first task? The first task here is to draw horizontal line this way, horizontal line, or say this way, and I will pick a point, and I will call that point my point A. I'm told that the entire perimeter is what the 150 mm. So with help of my meter rule, I'll measure out 150, which I will have. So this is 1. From 1 to 16 is 150. So this is my point B. Right? Now listen, I'm giving two angles, angle 30 and 45. So what comes first? A. So A goes with 30 and B goes with what the 45. So coming to A, I will construct angle 30 in this manner. Draw a semicircle. I can call this point A prime. I'll call this here A prime prime if you wish. Next task is what? To construct 30 with that same radius. Don't what I used to call draw semicircle now. This is it here. So do not bend it, do not remove it. Just come to this point A prime prime and what they draw an arc this way. This arc you are successfully drawing here is for what the angle 60°, and I'm going to what the 30°. So simply bisect A prime prime, and let's call this point P. I'll say point P. So bisect A prime prime and P. If you don't want to also bisect angle 45°, there's 30°. There's a special video for that. I'll drop the link on the description of this video. So watch how to construct 30° in just 2 minutes without stress. So I'll drop the link to the description of this video. Next task is to bisect A prime prime and P. So I have a strike this way. I'll come to this point and that strike. So where they meet, so I'll connect this point. So let's call this middle point Z. Point Z. Connect A and Z together this way. Point A and point Z together, which will form my this way. So this is my angle 30 given from the question, right? Which I can prove to you that is correct. If I take this guy this way, right? If I take this guy this way, observe this way. As you can see, coming. Take this guy this way. See, he's already lining. So look, this 30, right? This is 0, 10, 20, 30. This 30, correct. So all I just need to let you know is that I'll show you how the angle is correct to prove to you that it's correct. So this is 30 at this point. Mind you, that 30 is the given angle for A. Now I'll bisect it. So I'll bisect it. This is A prime prime. Call here this Z, call here Z prime. So bisect A prime prime and Z prime. So I'll have something like this. Something of this nature. Strike an arc here and use this to what they call the arc. Z to call the arc. So where the arc meets is at this point. So that's what I need. I'll take point and point A together down this way. I have this. So that's my first task. Next task is at B. I'm given an angle of what? 45. So I will kindly draw a semicircle the same way as did initially for the first one. call here B prime and call here B prime prime. Similarly, to draw angle 45, I need angle 90 degree. So without changing my compass, I use this to draw this. So next up, come to this, strike an arc here, come to this, cut an arc here. Sorry, I will erase this off. So come to this point here and cut the arc here. So those two arcs, come here, take it 1, and take it 2. Where it intersects, I'll join this point with B together this way, different line. This is angle 90. So half of 90 is what? 45, which is given from the question. So I can call here P prime and B prime. So bisect P prime and B prime, take this 1 and come here to cut it at point B this way. Where they meet is the given what the 45 degree from the question. So here to here is what is a given 45 in the question. Now for here I consider that 30, which is given, and I get the half of 30. The same way 45, construct the half of 45, which is given what the 22 and a half. Come here 1, cut here. I came here and this. So I will join that one to the other one I just drew here, B to that point here, this way. Where it consign, where it meets, where they collaborate is, I'll call this C. I'll call this point C. Now, this is not my triangle I'm asked to construct out to. Please note that. How do I get the triangle, right? So to get out the triangle, I'll bisect A and C and what the C and B. How do I do that? I will take my compass, extend it down this way, take 1, strike an arc this way, right? I'll strike an arc that way, and strike an arc downward too. As you can see, I'll show you. Strike an arc downward. Next up, I will come to this A, cut the arc, and cut the arc at this point too. Similarly, going to be up and down. At C, cut it and cut it. So where this one meets and this meet at this point, I will join them together. That's my first task. Next up, where this one meets and this one meet, I will join them together this way. So this is my exact A and my what the exact B for that triangle. So I'm taking these two. So next up, I will join C and A together, and finally I will join B and C together this way. I have this. So this is what I'm told to construct out. So this is a problem on triangle. So if you have found this class helpful, do not forget to click on the subscribe button and like. Thank you. Welcome to Wise Link Academy, and thanks for watching.